fuck, dude, that's a lot of cinnamon. Let me see that shit. Put it in the light. Oh, shit. Alright, switch. Cinnamon. Cinnamon, homie. Not Cinnabon, cinnamon. Oh, fuck. Dude, go to church again.